Welcome to La Fábrica De Hobbies, a social community workshop in the middle of the city of Valencia that can be reached by public transport. It was created to try to solve three different problems in Valencian society: a social one, an economic one, and an environmental one. On the social one, we see an increase in the declarations of loneliness by people under 35 years of age. We also see an increase in addictions to mobile phones and drugs, as well as an increase in suicides. On the economic one, we see that our young people are not able to get jobs, as we don't have any industry and we only have bars and hotels that create unstable jobs. We also have seen a great increase in immigration that is not allowed to work legally in this country. Regarding loneliness and addiction, we tackle them with the practice of hobbies, teaching them in a social environment where everybody can come together and meet new friends. Regarding the economic aspect, we collaborate with different artists, giving them a stable and streamline of business. We also provide a nice prototyping space for a startup that want to start producing innovative physical products. They also have spaces for testing and running small productions. On the environmental aspect, at the end of all of our courses, the students will take home a finished product that will last them a lifetime. We also collaborate with different artists that they can sell their products here. Our courses themselves are sustainable and we let our students know so. For instance, the wood we use is all from sustainable forests. We also donate our sawdust to local gardens as fertilizer, or we reuse a lot of material for our textile courses. We collaborate with different foundations, student associations, and universities. We help, for instance, giving courses to refugees so they can find a new job, or to women in risk of exclusion so that they can develop their own company. The idea is really scalable, as we can open as many commercial spaces as we want, but we also have the business online. We hope you like the idea and that you can see how much we can help society by opening a Fábrica de Hobbies in your city.